So in today's video we are going to be discussing how to design a, responsive message page using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and JavaScript. So as you can see, this is our usual header and our usual footer, and for this program the part until our header we have added a background gradient, so we can see the color varying from this value to this color. So it's a linear gradient, and here we have a media box for reasons, and here we can see the messages received and the messages sent, and here we have another example for a media box, and here we have input and we have an on-click button. So here this looks like a message log. So this is how we can keep our messages, and that is it on how we discussed on how this page works on the user interface end. So let's move on to the written part of our code, where we discuss how we created and designed this page. So what we have here is a message.php program page. So here we have a basic style sheets and icon, and we have a title here. So we have given a body style here. So in the body style we have a background color given here. So this is the color of the background, and here we have a gradient varying from this value to this value. So at 0% it will be this color, and at 100% it will be this color. And moving down, these are all in a content div of the class container fluid, and here we have the row, and we have the header here. So here we have a horizontal line dividing that part of the page, and as we move down, we can see we have a row with class overflow hidden and the shadow rounded. So here we have the background white, and here it will say inside a heading 5 we can see the reasons, and in this we have navigation opened, and here what we have is basically a navigation item. Here we can switch between. So here we can switch between we have these items here. So we have the value nima and the time or the date, and then under that we have the another value saying got the product. So this is basically written in a paragraph text, and in the other tab which we switch to, we can see our side and date and time and the text which we have sent. So that is it for the left side of so the message side which we saw. Then we have a message log or chat history with the person. So this is the example for that. We have the images, resources, new user.svg. So here we have the chat. Here this is also in a div class, and these all have a media class, which is a Bootstrap CSS class, and here we have the messages sent between the two users. So here we have the senders messages, and here we have the receivers messages, and here when we move down, it will say type a message in a input box, and on the right side we have a button. So the button's ID is send underscore button, and that button we can fill it send button. So we have an icon which is a button send fill, which is a Bootstrap icon, and that is that. And finally we have the footer at the bottom of our page, and our Bootstrap files and resources in JavaScript. So, and at the bottom we have a script.js, which is our personal JavaScript file. So that is it for this video. Finally, we have the chat box which we have added. I think somewhere here, around here, we have added a chat box on the right side of our page. So that will have the CSS values for height 500 pixels and overflow scroll, overflow wise scroll. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.